Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss the divisibility test on the number 31. That is, how to check whether a number is exactly divisible by 31. So, to check whether a number is exactly divisible by 31, subtract 3 times the last digit from the remaining number. Apply this rule over and over again as necessary. If the result is divisible by 31, then so was the original number. Now, let me explain this concept with a few examples for better understanding. Coming to the first example, 496 divided by 31. 496. According to the concept of adding 3 times of the last digit from the remaining number, here we can write it as 49 minus 6 into 3, which is equal to 49 minus 18, that is equal to 31. Since 31 is divisible by 31, the given number is also divisible by 31. Now let us divide this number with 31 to know whether it is exactly divisible by 31. 31 one time is 31. Here we get 18. Bringing down the next digit 6, we get 186, and 31 6 times is 186. Here we get 0 as remainder, so the given number is divisible by 31 exactly. Coming forward to next number, which is 1581 divided by 31. 1581 implies, according to the concept of subtracting 3 times of the last digit from the remaining number, which can be numerically represented as 158 minus 1 into 3, which is equal to 158 minus 3, that is equal to 155, implies 31 into 5. So hence the result 155 is divisible by 31. Let us check by dividing the given number with 31. 31 5 times is 155. We get 3 here. Bringing down the next digit 1, we get 31, and 31 one time is 31. So now we get 31 minus 31 is equal to 0. So the given number is exactly divisible by 31. Now let us proceed with few more numbers to check the concept. Next number is 837. According to the concept of subtracting 3 times from the remaining number, here we get 83 minus 21, which is equal to 62. 62 is divisible by 31, which is 31 into 2. So the given number is also divisible by 31. Coming to the next number, which is 3813. According to the concept of subtracting 3 times of the last digit 3, we get 9 from the remaining number 381, which can be written as 381 minus 9, which is equal to 372. Now repeating the concept again, 3 times of 2, which is equal to 6, is subtracted from the remaining number 37, which can be written as 37 minus 6, which is equal to 31. So the given number is also divisible by 31. Coming to the next number, that is 7286, and 3 times of the last digit 6 is 18. Subtracting it from the remaining number 728, which can be written as 728 minus 18, which is equal to 710. Now repeating the concept again, 3 times of the last digit 0 is 0, and subtract this 0 from the remaining number 71 is equal to 71. Since 71 is not divisible by 31, so the given number is not divisible by 31. Coming to the next number, which is 31,837. According to the concept of subtracting 3 times of the last digit 7, which is equal to 21, from the remaining number 3183, which is equal to 3162. Now repeating the concept again, that is subtracting 3 times of the last digit 2, we get 6 here from the remaining number 316, which can be written as 316 minus 6 is equal to 310, which is nothing but 31 into 10. So the given number is also divisible by 31. So here we can say that to check whether a number is exactly divisible by 31, subtract 3 times of the last digit from the remaining number. If the result is divisible by 31, then so was the original number. Hope you like the presentation. Do like and subscribe vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.